Hello friends, welcome back to another video of high heels designing. So how are you friends? I hope you all are fine and doing well today. I am going to share with you the most stunning and elegant ideas of high heels. I most suggest you to don't miss out the video and designing. Watch the video till the end for more ideas and more collection of high heels. You can wear these high heels for party wear, office wear and formal events. Stiletto high heels gives the most classic and iconic looks and makes you look confident. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Do like my video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting my channel for more ideas of women fashion and style. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video, see you soon.